Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you where to find free Shopify themes. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to myshopify.com. On the left corner, select Online Store. Then in here, select Themes. Once you are now under Themes, scroll down. For example, the theme called Dawn is free. Then in here, you will see Popular Free Themes. In here, select one that you like. If you manage to not like those here, you can always click on Explore More Themes, then select the button that says Visit Theme Store. Wait for the website to finish loading this time. Once you are now here, you'll be able to see all the themes offered by Shopify. Just make sure it says free. If you manage to like one, select the theme. Scroll down, then look for Try Theme. Go back to your My Shopify homepage. Select Online Store this time, then go to Themes. Once you are now here, you will see your theme library. If you want it, just select Publish, or you can also customize it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.